We have talked about talking to AI, but today we are going to talk about giving the AI hands. Until now, if you asked a chatbot to design a logo or find a specific flight, it could mostly just describe it to you or give you a generic list. That is because the chatbot was trapped in a text box. Application integrations break the AI out of that box and let it actually push buttons in other software. Think of integrations like ChatGPT's GPT Store or Gemini's extensions as hiring a general contractor who knows exactly which specialist to call for a job. You don't have to learn the software interface. You just tell the contractor what you want, and they manage the tools. Let's look at a concrete example that saves massive amounts of time. Visual marketing. You can connect an app like Canva directly to ChatGPT. Instead of staring at a blank slide deck or blank Instagram canvas, you simply type, "I need an Instagram post announcing our summer sale with a minimalist aesthetic and a blue color palette." The AI doesn't just give you text ideas. It talks to Canva, generates actual visual templates, and presents them to you. You click one, it opens in Canva, and you just tweak the details. You moved from concept to draft in 30 seconds. Now look at the ecosystem integration, specifically with Gemini and Google Workspace. This is huge for students and professionals drowning in files. You can turn on the Workspace extension and say, "Find the document I wrote last week about the biology project and summarize the 3 main arguments." The AI hunts through your drive, finds the file, reads it, and gives you the answer. It is no longer just searching the web. It is searching your digital brain. However, bringing third-party apps into the mix requires a new set of best practices. First, treat the output as a rough draft, especially when using design tools. The AI might pick a font that looks terrible or an image that doesn't quite fit your brand. It gets you 80% of the way there, but you need to apply the final polish. Second, be mindful of permissions. When you connect an app, you often grant the AI access to read your files or view your data in that app. Always check what data you are sharing. If you are working on something highly sensitive, it is usually safer to keep the AI disconnected. Finally, chain your commands. Use the chat features to refine the app's work. If the Canva designs come back too cluttered, don't just accept them. Reply to the chat and say, "These are too busy." Try again with more white space and professional stock photos. The days of copy-pasting text from a chatbot into a Word doc or a slide deck are ending. Your goal this week is to find one part of your workflow that involves switching between apps and see if an integration can bridge that gap. Stop being the middleman between your ideas and your software.